See? It looks
Joanne.
like it's going to rain.
Joanne.
It just stopped raining. Can you go
So you sat at home and watched the rain drench my clothes?
I'll call you back.
So you sat at home and watched the rain drench my shirts? What is this? I know this was on purpose. You know what? You're nothing but a witch.
What did you just call me?
A witch. Vindictive. Bitter. You thrive on my pain like it fits you. That is who you are.
No. No, I am not. I am a woman you broke. And you cannot stand the fact that I won't bow to you anymore.
What? I broke you? Is that what you just said? Look at you. Always dramatic. What kind of pettiness is this? You know you've lost it, right?
No, you lost it. You lost respect the minute you stormed into my life acting like you own me. No, Philip, you do not own me. At least not anymore.
Joanne, you would die alone with this dangerous mouth because no man would take this nonsense from you.
Yes, let me die. At least it is better I die alone than shackle up with a liar like you. Someone who breaks everything he touches. Stupid man.
You know what, just keep that.
And face tomorrow. But with this love, no one knows tomorrow. Should be even toxic, you're my tomorrow. But as it reach time, you don't leave me.
Finally, my own space. Yes! 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 Oh, yes! Yes, 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 yes.
Hi, girls. Hi. How are you, yourselves?
Girls, did you see the new manager that's been transferred to this branch?
Yes, of course. I personally showed him to his office.
Oh no. Oh no. You see why he's not going to come to work late? Should be the one telling the story by now.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Morning, Les.
Good morning.
Oh, please get yourself together. The new manager will be here in a moment.
Fresh start, new energy, no baggage. I'm in. I did it. Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Good day, sir.
How is everybody doing?
Fine, sir.
Philip Timmy is my name. I am your new branch manager for TT Advertising Agency. I have looked around and honestly, I didn't like what I saw. So I'm going to keep it very short. As you all can see, this branch is not doing very well. That's why I've been sent here to revive it. We have targets to meet, competition to outpace, and a standard to raise. I don't just manage, I transform. So I want each and every one of you here to give me your utmost best, and I'll give you mine.
Excuse me, sir. You know, the branch has been suffering so much. In fact, we have been going through a lot. So we will be expecting something big from you.
I'll do my best. Also, I want each and every one of you to bring your files to my office. Okay? Nice to meet you.
Thank you. You're welcome, sir.
One more thing, sir. I will be delighted to offer you a welcome package. You know, there's this spot I normally go to have my lunch.
Oh, Saz.
Oh. Can you just keep quiet? I'm sorry, sir. There's a spot I usually go to have my lunch during the weekend. So I don't mind if we could, you know, hang out and have a taste of their meal. Sir, you're gonna love it. Please don't say no.
Osas, right?
Yes, sir. Osas.
Why don't you get to work? I will think about it.
Oh, excuse.
Is there a problem?
No.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm sorry, sir. Thank you. Can you just stand up? Why are you sitting on my desk? What's the meaning of this now? Please stand up, I beg.
You don't have to make noise.
I want to sit down now.
Oh my. You have got to be kidding me.
Joanne, is this really you? Wait, you live here? Wait.
Hello? Daisy, where are you? You've been saying that since morning. No, I haven't even seen your shadow, talk more of seeing you as a person. No, where are you? Are you coming now? Are you sure? Fine. You will not believe what's happening right now. Guess who my new neighbor is? Philip. Yes. You know what? Come quick. There's a lot to talk about. Okay, see you soon. Thank you.
Babe, your phone is ringing.
What'd you say?
Your phone.
Oh, don't worry. I'll call the person back. Okay?
Might just be important. You should come get it.
No. Just leave it. I'll call the person back.
Baby, still ringing.
Baby, just leave the phone alone.
Cynthia again?
I'll just call the person.
Hey love, are you still coming? I made the pasta you asked me to make. But I'll just go out to get some fresh fruit to make some juice for you.
Baby, it's not what you think.
What am I supposed to think at the moment? It's not enough that you slept with her!
Baby, that was in the past, okay? You said you've forgiven me.
Then why is she still calling you?
Baby, this girl is forcing herself on me. I don't want her. I don't want her. Okay, baby, please. Trust me, believe me. I'm
Trust you?
Yes, baby. Baby, hey!
But with this love, no one knows tomorrow. Should be even toxic, you're my tomorrow. But as I reach time, you don't leave me go solo. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. Love nas come, I say love nas come. So don't break my heart, please let me go. Love nas come, I say love nas come.
What do you want, Philip?
I just thought we could talk.
Talk? After everything? You have got to be kidding me.
Joanne, I know I made mistakes. But moving here, it's a sign. Look, can we not live like strangers?
A sign? No, Philip. It's bad luck. And I do not believe in recycling trash. Don't call me next time.
Joanne, hello?
Shouldn't tell me leave love and face tomorrow. But with this love, no one knows tomorrow. Should be even toxic, you're my tomorrow. But as I reach time, you don't leave me go solo. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. Love nas come, I say love nas come. So don't break
Daisy, you asked me to move to this city. What next? What's the plan? Because my head feels blank. This heartbreak, it's killing me slowly. I mean, it just feels like Philip took every single cell
in my brain with him.
Joanne, you have to listen to me. Philip is not the end of your story. He was only just one bad chapter.
One bad chapter.
Yes.
Daisy, trust me, he was a whole book. Man, I built my whole world around him. Then he turned around, walked away as if it was nothing.
Well, that is why you have to write a new book for yourself. You can't sit here and keep replaying Philip's ghost. You need to channel all that pain into something you love doing.
Something like what?
Catering. Joanne, you cook good food. Okay? Anytime you host a party, people talk about it for days. Just channel all that energy into it. Make it a living. Look, I know this town, okay? People eat out every day. Think about it.
Catering business.
Exactly.
Hustle over heartbreak.
Of course. Make him a memory. The future is the feast. Okay?
Sir, I am looking at the design right now, and I can assure you with TT Advertising Agency, you have nothing to worry about. Trust me, you are 100% secured. Okay, sure. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day, sir. Benita!
Sir?
What are you looking for?
I'm checking the file I worked on yesterday. It needs your signature so we can document it.
Please, continue your search another time. You're distracting me.
That means you've been watching.
My friend, get out!
Sorry, sir. Where should I keep this?
Chew it.
Sorry, sir.
Can you imagine? Oh. Philip. Oh my God.
Are you done with the records? Because I'll be going to meet the manager soon.
No, I will take it myself.
You'll take it yourself. Why does everyone want to work with the manager directly when I am here? What am I doing here?
I don't understand you.
You don't understand me. So why are you trooping in and out of his office?
What are you trying to say?
Hi, ladies. Zara, are we good to go?
No, sir.
I'll be having a meeting with the manager very soon.
Okay.
Please make it ready ASAP.
Well, finish the report first.
You should have said that to Mr. Donald.
Well, the manager needs the report to approve the budget. And then they will finalize on the project the accountant is submitting to them.
Whatever.
Whatever, too.
This boy is an idiot. Eh? Look at the way he embarrassed me. And I even forgot to pick the file I meant to pick. Do that tomorrow.
Hey, beautiful. It's closing hour. Let me drop you home.
Donald, please. I don't want. Don't disturb me, please. Let me be.
Wait. Is there a problem? Is everything okay?
Is it that you don't hear or you don't listen? I said you should let me be. Allow me, for crying out loud. Let me be.
Benita, come on. Is there a problem? Do you want to share with me? You know I am a reliable shoulder to cry on, right?
Donald, not on this one. Please.
Okay then, if you say so. I will see you tomorrow.
Bye. What was I even thinking? Allowing this one to touch me. So irritating.
What are you doing here?
I live here too.
So?
We need to talk.
About?
The delivery guy called. So you couldn't accept a small package on my behalf? Are you that bitter?
Bitter? No, Phillips. It's called boundaries. I don't live for you anymore, remember? See, your packages, your errands, your mess, keep them outside my door.
So this is it. You can't acknowledge me as a human being anymore after everything we shared?
Don't you dare everything me. After everything, really? Are you serious right now? You broke it. You broke me. Don't come here standing and acting as if nothing happened.
You've changed.
Yes, I woke up.
That went well.
Please let me go. Baby, you've been toxic. No one like you. Say I go come, I will let you come back to you. Baby, you've been toxic. I go miss you tired. But in the end now, who is at my doorstep? You are begging me take you back, and everything a new story. You left me alone. You don't leave me. You don't bring me.
Why? Why? Why does he hold so much power over me? Why? He walks in here like he owns the air that I breathe. How can I even forget the nights I cried myself empty? The worst part is, a piece of me still wants him back. No, Joanne. No. He won't break me twice. I won't allow it.
How did she become like this? Joanne. Once the sweetest human anyone would want to have around. Now as sharp as a broken glass. Was it life? Was it me?
Sir, I am the operational manager and I'm working directly under you.
I know.
So why is everyone boycotting me to meet you directly? Ever since you resumed, you've not assigned any duty to me. What's going on?
I don't understand that question.
I mean...
I know what you mean. Get your things and share my office space with me.
Why are we here? Why did you call me out here?
Benita,
Yes.
have I done something wrong? I may just say it. If I did something, tell me. Now apologize.
You haven't done anything wrong to me. I mean, none that I can think of.
Okay, so that means we're cool, right?
We are cool. Well, it all depends on what you mean by we are cool.
Benita, why are you putting me in this position? Look, listen, if you want to quit, just say it.
Quit what? Sir?
Have a nice day, Benita.
You won't only be out of my life, but you will be out of this company, and very soon. Rubbish.
Paige is alive. Joanne's kitchen. Simple, classy, and straight to the point. Look at this.
Are you sure this will work? Will people even notice this? I mean, I just do not want this to be one of those pages that gather dust.
Babe, relax. By the time you cook and post pictures, before you know it, people will start lining up.
Well, let's see.
Speaking of lining up, you know that restaurant before the junction?
What about it?
It's up for rent. The owners are not capable of taking care of it, so it's up for rent now.
Daisy, if I understand you correctly, you want me to rent the place. But you of all people should understand that rent is expensive. I mean, you know how people are. 1 minute they are hyping you, and the next minute is utter silence.
But you have talent. That makes a difference. All you need is visibility and online buzz. Before you know it, you'll start causing foot traffic there. What is I don't understand. Look, it is better than cooking from your kitchen, oh. You better grab this opportunity now. This is a gold mine. You don't want to miss it. Let's go there tomorrow. Okay?
Fine. We'll check it out. Good. Can I go back to what I was doing?
Of course you can. This is good.
Do not sit down. Why are there so many ladies in this branch?
You don't like it?
It's distracting to have so many beautiful ladies. Wild ones for that matter. Not to mention how they are suffocating me.
I'll caution them, sir.
I want us to replace some of them with male workers.
Okay, sir.
Between Benita and I think Zara, whichever one that is less active, please replace one of them. Yeah?
Sir, the thing is, they both have very strong hands and brains in here.
I want you to handle this, Donald. Let me know what you resolve by the end of the day.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Good day, sir.
You are Zara, right?
Yes, sir.
Head of marketing department?
Yes, sir.
Do you have the documents ready?
Sure.
Thank you.
Sir, can I leave?
Yes, you can leave. I will call you when I need you.
Okay, sir.
like it's going to rain.
Joanne!
It just stopped raining. Can you go
So
alone?
you sat at home and watched the rain drench my clothes?
I'll call you back.
So you sat at home and watched the rain drench my shirts? What is this? I know this was on purpose. You know what? You're nothing but a witch.
What did you just call me?
A witch! Vindictive! Bitter! You thrive on my pain like it fits you. That is who you are.
No. No, I am not. I am a woman you broke. And you cannot stand the fact that I won't bow to you anymore.
What? I broke you? Is that what you just said? Look at you. Always dramatic. What kind of pettiness is this? You know you've lost it, right?
No, you lost it. You lost respect the minute you stormed into my life acting like you own me. No, Philip, you do not own me. At least not anymore.
Joanne, you will die alone with this dangerous mouth because no man will take this nonsense from you.
Yes, let me die. At least it is better I die alone than shackle up with a liar like you. Someone who breaks everything he touches. Stupid man.
You know what, just keep that. Because they stink like this new attitude you have.
I don't hear from 3 different people around this area. Say when I want to turn my papa house to Market Square. Now they disturb people where they live within. They fight like market women. Wait till they bring that one.
Sir, we're sorry about that.
Excuse you? Do not ever make such an address with me in it. Speak for yourself.
Now see that happen for you. So that means all the things I don't hear, all the things that people don't tell me, not truth.
Sir, with all due respect, I'm sorry for the embarrassment I have caused you.
Which kind of insult be this one? Even as I did when I see the one can raise voice. See, listen, 2 of them. When I listen to me, I should not see my papa there. My papa and me, and I be my papa. Now me they in charge of this building. I can give anybody quick notice anytime and nobody go question me. Should not they talk?
Yes, sir.
Me too at the crease. Look me, we're gonna see my ear no correct. I don't want to use my ear. Hear this complaint again. Say when I fight for this my house, or when I quarrel, or when I shout. Because the next time I go hear them, na quick notice direct. I will give 12 na quick notice and I will leave this compound. Now they what they talk.
Yes, sir.
I no go like come here, come one on again. At the last time be this.
You see what you cost? No, bravo. Because of you, everyone in this street now sees me as a villain.
You're the one that gave them the show.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you too?
Why do you always want to sabotage me?
Actress of the year.
You know what? You're a very useless man.
No, you are the useless woman.
Be careful, Philip.
You to be careful.
Stay off, Philip.
Joanne, be careful.
Stay off, Philip.
Look at you.
Stupid, useless, idiotic man.
Look at
Stupid and useless man.
Just look at that.
Shame.
Just look at that.
Idiot.
Look at that, and you call yourself a woman. You call yourself a woman. You don't have shame, idiot. Pig.
Yes, we are starting small. The man said he should bring a lunch pack to his place. And if he tries it, and if he likes it, you can have the place.
Daisy, what if it flops? What if he...
There you go again. What if it doesn't flop? What if it works? You have to try. Okay?
Fine.
Yeah. That's the Joanne I know. Don't give up, okay? Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, sir.
How are you?
Effectively, fundamentally, your services are no longer required.
What have I done?
It does not mind decisions to make. Zara,
Sir?
you're now the head of operations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Please don't disappoint me.
No, I won't disappoint. Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.
Hey, you. You think you are smart, right? If it was someone else, you would have been criticizing and judging. Pretender do the worst. Now let me tell you something. You cannot have my space and succeed. Have that. Know it and know it now. My eyes are on you.
Well, you had better stop watching before you get blind.
I enjoyed the meals she made. Wow. Yeah. You said she's a friend?
She's my friend, and she's a fantastic cook. See, you'll be so proud for handling the space to her. You won't regret it.
I can attest to that. I can attest to that. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll get back to you.
Eh.
I'll get back. Oh, don't worry. Calm down. Calm down. Relax. I'll get back to you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. I appreciate
You're
it.
welcome. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Osas, why are you sitting here all by yourself crying? Everyone has left.
Sir, what did I do to deserve this cruel treatment? Why was I sacked without any notice or offense? What did I do? What did I do?
Look, can you stop crying? Huh? We'll talk about this tomorrow. And I'll also call the HR to revoke your termination, okay?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh,
Stop.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
It's okay. Just stop crying, all right? I came to get a file.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
No one like you. Say I go come, I will let you come back to you. Baby, you've been toxic, I go miss you tired. Boy, in the end now, who is at my doorstep? You are begging me take you back, and everything that you story.
It's been hours. He hasn't called. What's keeping him? At least he's supposed to call by now to let me know. Can you check your phone? Perhaps he called you.
Just calm down, okay? He said he will call you. Well, don't you trust the food you gave him?
It's not about the food.
So what is it?
I just... Okay, fine. Fine.
Calm down, all right?
Okay. Daisy, I was thinking, like, if I eventually get the place, should I get a loan? I mean, those chairs are awfully old. I think I should change them. You know, get a backdrop, put it at the other side.
Wait a minute. You don't need to get a loan. Loan for what? Start the business first. When the business start growing, then you can have enough money to get chairs and design it all you want. Arrange it the way you want. Just calm down, okay?
You have a point.
Yes, start.
But the thing is, he still hasn't called. Daisy, please, can you just check your phone? I promise, once you check your phone, he hasn't called. I will just relax.
I'm not checking my phone. He will call you. I trust him. Just calm down.
Okay, I am calm.
Thank you.
Very calm.
Just calm down, okay? I got you.
You left me alone, you don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. Love not come. Wanting more than we can stand. Losing all just to expand. Falling faster than we planned. This is the heart of me. Burning bridges with the bands. This is the heart of me.
What the hell is wrong with that guy?
Yes, girl. Decrease it.
Smile never come my face. Why me? Oh, why me? Tears never dry from my eyes. Smile never come my face. So when it's that day, I will have my freedom and do the things I want. Far away from this slavery. Far away from this misery. Tears never dry from my eyes.
This is the heart of me.
Times of life I'm
Burning bridges with the bands.
from one thing to
This is the heart of me. Burning bridges with the bands. This is the heart of me.
This the way I'm gonna be.
The price is heavy.
Living in pain and misery. Why me?
By the light, by the ends.
Why me? Why me? Tears never dry from my eyes. Smile never come my face. Why me? Oh, why me? Tears never dry from my eyes. Smile never come my face. So when it's that day, I will have my freedom and do the things I want. Far away from this slavery.
Thinking money could fill all that's missing the sea. I'm like a shadow that wandered from time to place. I lit up a candle, but the dark still crept in. Now I'm dancing in silence. Truth has a taste, but doesn't make a sound. Doesn't make a sound. A sound. This is the heart of me. Burning bridges with the bands.
Why me?
This is the heart of me.
Smile never
Burning bridges with the bands.
Why me?
This is the heart of me.
Tears never
Burning
dry
bridges
from
with
my eyes.
the bands.
Smile never come my face.
This is the heart of me. Burning bridges with the bands. You left me alone. You don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga.
Sir, thank you so much for giving me back my job. You don't know what this means to me.
It's all right. But I don't want you going about parading yourself like a peacock.
I'm sorry. Sir, if you don't mind, I would love to appreciate your kindness with lunch this weekend at one of my favorite restaurants. The one I told you about, they were closed before and now they just reopened. Look, yes, their meal is very delicious. You'll love it. I promise you won't regret this. Please don't say no, please.
What makes you think I would want to spend my weekend at a restaurant rather than being in the comfort of my house?
Because no man truly likes to be alone.
Okay. But don't make me regret it.
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, my bad. I promise you, you won't regret this. Look, we're gonna have fun. Like, you're going to enjoy their meal. I can't wait.
Okay. It's fine. Okay, just calm down. All right?
I'll give you the place. Yes.
Thank you.
But I need you to listen good. This place is not just brick and mortar. It belonged to my late wife. She built it with her own hands. Her own recipe. Her own sweat. Every meal here carries a signature. And that is why I could not just give it to anybody.
I am honored, sir. And I promise I will carry her legacy with pride.
Then honor her the right way. Make sure everyone that steps in this place leaves very, very satisfied.
That's my promise to you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, eh?
My friend. Hard-working girl. What is it?
Oh, nothing.
You know what? This is how business is when you first start. It seems like nobody's going to come. But before you know it, based on who you are, very soon there'll be crowd all over this place. You even need more space, okay? Don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you so
At
much.
least you can channel all that energy about Philip. You can channel it here and watch her explode.
Yeah, that's I need to forget about.
Where I usually go to eat. I bet you the meal is so sweet. You're gonna love it. Huh? Philip?
Huh?
What is it?
I was just thinking if we can, go home together.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You want us to go together?
Yeah.
Oh, why not? Sure.
Yeah, let's just.
Let's
go.
All right, that's fine. Let's go.
Yeah.
Forget them, okay? Don't worry about them. Forget them. Alright? You don't need them, don't worry. Alright? But cheer up, so. Cheer up.
You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone. You don't leave me.
Okay.
You don't break me, scatter,
This is me.
This is
This is fine. It's so cute and sexy.
Oh, come on. On average, please.
You say average? Well, I agree with that. But it will feel warmer that you don't have to sleep alone tonight. What do you think?
Osas, we're both tired. And I have a meeting first thing in the morning.
You don't like me. Just say it. I'm not good enough, like I'm not beautiful enough for you.
You will stay in the guest room. I'll get you something to change into.
I don't get it. I should stay in the guest room. Why? You brought me here just to shut me up in a lonely room? No, don't say anything. If I wanted to be lonely, I'd rather stay in my house. And you brought me here, you're telling me I'll stay in the guest room.
I'm just trying to respect you.
Respect me or rejection? I don't get it, Philip.
Look,
what's your problem?
You're getting everything twisted, okay?
Oh, you brought me here, right? Just to fill up your space. You think I'm a piece of deco, right? Look, you shouldn't have brought me here if you knew you were going to treat me like this.
Sas, come on. Can you just be quiet and listen for a second?
Listen to what? Your sermon? To tell me how to respect you? Or to give me a reminder of how you don't want me being around you because I am your junior colleague? That's what you're trying to say? Huh? Oh, you want me? I should have listened to you. I'm done with this. Oh, please get out.
Why did I even bring her here? Why? To prove what? Now Joanne is going to think I'm that same guy.
Unbelievable. Look, Joanne, you need to calm down, okay? Because it is clear that he is doing this on purpose.
Of course he is. Corporate man loves control. He's just trying to rattle me. But two can play that game.
And what are you planning this time?
Watch and learn, baby. Watch and learn.
Joanne, don't teach me bad thing. No, I dey fear you. I dey fear you. But I trust you.
You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone. You don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga.
Hey, when you're done with those files, make sure you drop it on my desk.
Osas, do not get on my nerves. The last time I checked, you're not the boss. I'm not your subject.
And I am the head of operations in this branch. No one gets to the manager except through me.
Mr. Donald has been looking for you.
Mr. Donald? How? What happened?
He said you should review the document and have them stand before the board meeting this morning.
All right.
Perfect. Just perfect.
Joanne! Can you move your car? It's blocking me. I don't want to be late for work.
Yes! Yeah, baby! Deeper, baby! Yeah! Yes! Yeah, baby. Yes, faster.
Joe. You think you can play with my head like a playground? You will have a feel of my madness too. Hello? I just requested your ride. Please follow the map to the pickup point. Thank you.
You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone. You don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone. You don't leave me go. Love not come. Say love not come. So don't break my heart. Please let me go.
Sir, is everything all right?
It's my neighbor.
Your neighbor got you looking at this. That must be really serious.
She's an ex.
Wait. Your ex stays next door?
Yep. And that's the crazy part. I asked for a transfer so I can, get a fresh start. Only for her to appear from nowhere. Same city, same compound. Like fate or a bad joke.
Wow. This is rough. No wonder why you're on edge.
I still can't wrap my head around the coincidence. Of all the places she could go to, why here?
Well, I think this is just life trying to text you. But listen, you don't have to allow her ruin your peace. You've got to decide on how to handle this before this entire thing eats you alive.
Look, I'm not gonna lie, it's already eating me up, man.
Wow. Well, if you ask me, I will tell you to keep trying. Just find a way out. I've got to go.
Thank you.
I'll be in my office.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Here, this came for you.
You know it doesn't have to be awkward between us, right?
You can tell that to the silence whenever I walk in.
Maybe we're both guilty for letting silence say too much.
Are we?
of nonsense thing is this one? Hello, landlord. Oh, the son. Yes, good day. You will not believe what my stupid neighbor did. Yes, by the time I shatter this idiot's windscreen, he will understand that madness runs in my DNA. You need to see what he did to my tire. You just need to come here to see what he did. That's fine. I'll be waiting for you. Okay. Hey, God, I beg you. What is it? Okay. This guy will understand that no one has the monopoly of madness. By the time I'm done with him... Okay, that's fine.
So, hard news.
Okay, spill.
I spoke to them and I gave them our breakdown. And they're interested in working with us.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You know this can end your promotion, right?
Yes. However that goes, my aim is to contribute to the growth of this company. And if the boss deems it fit to promote me, I'll be glad and I'll take it with all humility.
These clients, have you showed them some of our projects?
Yes, sir. I've done that already.
And they're ready to come for a meeting so we can kickstart?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's very, very good.
Sir, are you with me?
Yes. You know what? I will go through this later. Let's do this after lunch, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. You can go.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What have you done to me?
What have I done to you? Of course, you're actually looking at me, right?
I wasn't just looking. I want to have a feel. Maybe you are that sweet poison I need to heal my broken heart.
I am.
Yeah.
You know what? Say it like you mean it.
I mean, sorry, excuse me. Let me take this. Hello? Yeah. Okay.
Sarah, you see that Osas girl? The day I will beat her in this company, she will go back to the street where she belongs to.
What happened?
That girl that flaunts her buttocks like a rotten mango. She just flaunting herself all over the manager. What's her problem?
But she's the head of operation. Definitely she will be getting more attention from him.
Sarah, you don't understand. This has nothing to do with work. Yes. You know what? I feel those two are being intimate with each other.
Ha! You better shut up before your mouth will get into trouble.
I know what I'm saying. See, I have all my plans. I have everything planned out before she started coming around and showing herself all over the place. I like that guy.
I have to go to the house. Okay, I'll be back.
Oh yeah, wait. Let me understand you. Are you talking about the same man that just resumed barely a month ago?
Yes. Can't you see how hot he is?
Ha,
that man is... He's is so cute. I don't even know how Osas did it. I don't know.
Because my charm makes it more easier for me. Look, I am very attractive and beautiful to any man. And I think it's a gift.
And who called you?
I had my name now. See, pay me so that I can teach you now. Why you the door? Eh? Wait, so I think you and Donald are running shows. Now they run shows. I be Ngbola no sweet you again. Oh, girl, you greedy, Shao. You greedy.
You're very mad and stupid. You know that.
I am not mad.
You're insane.
I am not mad because I am just playing my game very well. As you can see. See, let me tell you, I will not allow you to hijack this meat alone in this branch. Not be only you. Me, I will not let it happen. You cannot take my place. You have to go to that Donatus, manage Amo, because you dey enjoy Ngbola. You see this Ngbola when they took for inside this your Kwekus. Hey, you better enjoy Amo and leave my man alone because I am attracted to him. I love him so much. And you see Philip is mine and mine alone. Whether you like it or not, it is mine. Abia Dogelo, no try me. Dare your lane. It's me.
Spit on me. Are you done?
I go open my mouth for you. Yes.
Are you done?
I am not done.
Get lost.
How should I get lost? Of course I will get lost, Joe.
Get lost.
Joe. Talk to her. She she's your friend.
Talk to
her
because
Philip is mine and mine forever.
Look at how you're fighting over your man. Someone that is not even noticing you.
Go on and get you, Donatus Bola.
Get her from here.
He go enter here.
If you touch me, I'll drag your hair, stupid girl. What's wrong with this girl? Is stupid. Why are you telling me to? Why did you tell her to calm down? Don't tell me that. Don't annoy me. I don't even know what I'm standing here with.
Come. What did this nonsense complaint when they come to my ear again? Eh? What did this nonsense argument when they argue like cat and dog every time? Eh? Now my father has down. See, make I tell you now, eh? Now no fit bring this house down. This is my only inheritance. Now the only inheritance why I inherit from my father be this. Now no fit bring them down. When I told this nonsense, now the Christ will chop wish. Now Christmas me.
Landlord, please, if you're talking, direct it to this idiot because he's the one who flattened my tire.
Really?
You call flat the tire now?
You call this thing a car? You think I have time for this? Look, don't feel too important, okay?
Yes, I will feel important because you're just a bitter and a frustrated man. Why would you flatten my tire?
Hey! It's okay! It's enough! So, okay, now they look me less. Now they look my small body. I know reach to talk to Donna. That's as in, na generator noise they talk since. For my present, they argue. Like cat and dog. See, for peace to reign, one of you will leave this compound.
What?
Yes.
At least that person will not be me. He should be the one to leave.
You are the one leaving this house.
No, you will leave this place. For what? Why would you flatten my tire?
When I came to your place to call you, that you were blocking me, what did you do? You ignored me because you were entertaining a man as early as 7 a.m. in the morning.
So? Is that not my house? What is your business? That is my apartment. I decide what to do in there.
Your mates are out there working this morning and you are in there prostituting. Is that why you opened the restaurant?
Wait,
to cover up your prostitution?
Call me a prostitute?
Are you not a prostitute?
It is your full generation that are prostitutes. Look at this idiot man, frustrated, useless man. Your mother died while giving birth to her 7th child for her 4th husband. You should not that. You know what? It is your mother that is a prostitute.
The next time you open that filthy mouth to spew nonsense about my mother, I will beat you to a pulp.
If you know you have the balls and they are walking, try.
You don't do now.
Useless man.
Enough. What do you on this one now?
Talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't see my tire.
So I don't feel respect me. Your father gave you this house. Yeah, what are you?
No, talk to this man.
Nothing happen here. 12 Nana, leave this compound.
What?
This time around now, 12 Nana go leave this compound. When I know what people do my father.
No, that is illegal. You cannot ask us to leave. For what?
Sir, look, it's okay for two people to have a misunderstanding.
Who's the two people? Speak for yourself. Do not talk for me.
Shut up and let me talk. Shut up and let me talk.
When I look less, before the end of today, I go refund you now and I go leave this compound. Now the way they talk, enough of this nonsense. What do you want this one? Mr. Hey, my friend, stop.
Wait. He should fix my car.
Please, your father give you this house. Your father give you this house.
Let's calm down. There's no need to do a refund for both of us now. Wait.
You never go to start the Christmas.
Wait now. Wait.
You see what you've just done?
Who are you talking to?
You are not tired. You always want to frustrate my life.
Frustrate
now
your life?
Now you've come again, yes.
Do you have a life? Do you have a life?
Philip, I am warning you. If this is not fixed, I swear to God you will not like what I'll do to you.
Are you... Hey.
Don't talk to me.
Listen, don't point up. You 30 fingers at me. Nonsense. You call this thing a car. This I don't know if it's a tin of milk or a tin of sardine.
Shouldn't tell me leave love and face tomorrow. But with this love, no one knows tomorrow. Should be even toxic, you're my tomorrow. But as a rich time, you don't leave me go solo. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. Love nas come, say love nas come. So don't break my heart, please let me go. Love nas come.
Daisy, he gave us, me, 2 weeks to move out.
Then you come stay with me. That is not even a question.
No, Daisy, I don't want to disturb you.
Disturb me? Joanne, you are my sister in everything but blood. Look, if you had moved in with me, just maybe Philip wouldn't have walked back into your life.
Sometimes, I wish I never met him.
Well, it is not too late to listen now, okay? Let me carry this with you. You don't have to fight every storm all by yourself.
Hey, how are you doing? Hey.
You came. Thought you wouldn't.
Why not?
Shouldn't tell me leave love and face tomorrow. But with this love, no one knows tomorrow. Should be even toxic, you're my tomorrow. But as a rich time, you don't leave me go solo. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Why? What's the matter?
Look, please just leave.
What? Did you drag me here for this? I don't get it. What is wrong with you? Huh? No, don't look at me like that. Are you suffering from some kind of erectile dysfunction or something? What's the problem? Huh? 1 minute you want it and the next minute you don't want it. You put me in the mood and now you're giving me attitude. Look, I don't care. We have to do this thing right now.
Sorry, excuse me.
Boy, me hell now. Who is at my doorstep? You are begging me to take you back. And everything a new story. You left me alone. You don't leave me. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone. You don't leave me. You don't break me, scatter, scatter.
Joanne, wait.
What is it?
Joanne.
She doesn't want to hear any of it, okay?
Please, I just need 1 minute of your time.
Oh, you've had lots of it. And every single one of them left her bleeding. Just go. Respect yourself and leave.
Joanna.
Go. Leave already. Huh. It's okay, okay? Just calm down. He's gone, alright? It's okay. Let's go. Mr. Man, can you move your car so we can go out? Move it already! Nonsense.
She was just here. Where could she have gone? I did not see her leave. Osas! Osas! Osas!
Scatter, scatter, you believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter, you leave me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. Love not come, I say love not come. So don't break my heart, please let me go. Break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. You've been breaking, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga. Shouldn't tell me leave love and face tomorrow. But with this love, no one knows tomorrow. Should be even toxic, you're my tomorrow. But as a rich time, you don't leave me go solo. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. Love not come, say love not come. So don't break my heart, please let me go. Love not come, I say love not come. You don't break my heart, please let me go. Shabby, you've been toxic, no one. Say I go home, I will let you come back to you. Shabby, you've been toxic, I go miss you tired. Boy, in the end now, who is at my doorstep? You are begging me take you back, and everything you me. You left me alone, you don't leave me. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe
He's
me,
moved on.
jaga, jaga. You left me alone,
He moved on.
you don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You leave me, jaga, jaga.
What am I still doing here? What am I still doing? Can't believe. I brought her here, close to me, under the same roof. And he's pounding her with so much passion. They are both yelling out each other's names in pleasure. No, Joanne. You won't cry. You're not gonna cry, Joanne. Not for him. Not for anyone. He just moved on like I never existed. Like I didn't even matter.
You're something else. I knew you had it in you. What is it? Why the long face? Did I wear you out that much?
Yeah. Something like that.
You look like someone whose heart is far from his present.
So this was going to make me feel better. I don't feel good what's first. I only heard what I did this.
Enough. I can't do this anymore. It's time to move on. Daisy, please, call a truck. I'm moving out. And please, you have to come help me get my things.
But as it reach time, you don't leave me go solo. You don't break me, scatter, scatter. You believe me, jaga, jaga.
Oh dear, Philip has finally given in for me. Like it was worth every second. Huh? If I knew that Philip was that easy to get, I would have had a bet with one ugly thing. She's even here right now, my colleague. She's working with me. She looks so horrible.
You know you're crazy, right?
Let me call you back. Crazy?
Yes.
Well, it's him that is crazy because you should have seen him. He couldn't keep his hands off me. He was just all over me. Guess what? People like us, when we catch a man, we know how to hold him tight, kiss him, caress him, do everything to keep him.
Wait, you think this is a joke? Huh? You're standing here running your mouth like a cheap street whore, opening your legs wide for him to dug in and out, and you think that will keep him? Let me tell you something. Sex cannot keep a man who doesn't want to be kept.
At least I don't...
Keep fooling yourself.
At least I don't beg for attention. He chose me, so try harder. You couldn't keep Donald, and you do not have a chance to have Philip. Because guess what? I will have Philip and keep it out.
Something wrong with you? Is something wrong with your brain? How dare you speak to me like that? Did you just... And I will beat you up. I will beat you up if you talk again. Did you just slap me, bitch? Did you just slap me? How dare you? Stop it! Get your head off!
You need to stop.
No!
Do you two know what you have caused? What's the meaning of that? Fighting in the office like market women. Have you lost your minds?
Please don't look at me like that. She slapped me.
Not a word from me. Hey, shut up. What happens in my private life is not a weapon. You bring it here, that means you bring me down, and I will not sit and watch that happen. I already have my problems. I don't want the two of you to add to it. Have I made myself clear? Dismissed. Get out. Oh, God.
Shouldn't tell me leave love and face tomorrow. But with this love,
come to my office right now.
Tomorrow. Should be even toxic, you're my tomorrow. But as a rich time,
Daisy, hey. Thank God you came early.
So you really meant you're leaving?
Yes. I am leaving. Let's just get this over with. I cannot stay one more night with him and her so close to me, under the same roof. No.
It's okay, okay? Let's go pack your things and leave before he gets here. All right?
Let's do this. And thank you for everything.
I've got you.
Donald, I called you here because I want you to transfer all the ladies. I don't want distractions here anymore. Make the paperwork ready by the end of today.
All of them? Even Zara?
All of them. Excuse me. Hello? Thank you. But I already made plans to move out.
So bad news.
Sorry, just a minute. Mike, I'm good. Look, I didn't call you for that. How far now? No, I'm talking about your father's place, the space now. What's going on? Okay, all right, thank you. Yeah, I'll call you after work, yeah? All right, bye-bye. What are you doing here?
Of course you know exactly why I'm here.
Look, just go. Please leave.
Oh, Philip, don't play with me. You think you can use me and toss me aside? Please. Look, I know you want me. I know you need me badly.
I don't. I don't want you.
Of course you will. You have to want me. Else I will let everyone know about what we did at that shower. I will. The bank, your family, your friends, your office, I will ruin you, Philip. Don't joke with me.
You know, it's funny how you sit in my living room to threaten me. You want to blackmail me? You came to me. You walked in here. Make sure you let everyone know before you open that stinking mouth of yours.
Now I want to see you try it. And I promise you, you will regret ever knowing my name. Now get out. Get out! Get out of the house. I said get out.
Now you want to talk. When is that you want to talk? After everything.
Lord, I'm sorry. I know I messed up. I was stupid. I didn't know what I was doing, but I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
You dumped me. After everything I did for you, you dumped me. And for what? For Philip? Do you even know how disappointed I am in you? Benita, I loved you.
I didn't say it then. I know better now. I'm sorry, do not. Please.
You know, back then in the office, that was not just some kind of office feeling for me. Everything I ever did for you, that was love. That was me telling you how much I care. But what did you do? You dumped me. You left me like I was a nobody.
I ruined everything. I know. I messed up. But I'm sorry. Please, do not. Please.
Sorry?
Yes.
Benita, it is really late.
Do not, please.
Benita, it is late. Because sorry will not fix what you broke. Benita, get out of my car.
Please do not.
And don't you ever come back begging. Get out.
Do not. I'm sorry.
Get out!
Juan, I'm proud of you. You're doing so well for yourself.
Thank you.
You have forgotten all about Philip and his drama. Look, you're doing well. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
You moved on so fast. Too fast.
What? Did you just say fast?
Yes.
Trust me, darling. You did not see the nights I drowned my pillow in my tears. Yes. It was horrible. But who cares? I mean, life goes on, right?
But business is moving fast as well.
We're trying.
It's moving fast. Anyway, let's forget about all that. Listen, baby girl.
Yes, dear.
I have a birthday dinner for you to cater for. They want you to organize good food and good drinks. Yes, and the pay is massive. It's huge. You will love it. It's worth it.
What? My first outdoor catering?
Yes.
This is... Thank you. Thank you, Daisy.
You're welcome.
So tell me, when is this dinner?
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow?
Yes, I will forward you all the
Oh my God, there is no
details,
time.
okay?
I mean, how many people? 10,
I will
15?
forward you the details so you can talk to the client yourself, okay?
Okay, that's fine. But that means I'll need to get some new fresh vegetables. I'll need
Do your thing,
some
okay?
meat,
You don't have to do these things. I trust you.
I need. Oh my God, you have to help me go to the market tomorrow
Hey.
morning. I have a lot to plan for.
Fine,
Come
fine.
on.
We'll go together.
It's my first time.
We're going together.
Definitely. Mom.
So this is a place where you do your setup. Like I told your friend over the phone, it's a small party, just few friends. You can start your setup.
Thank you.
So what do you think?
I was not expecting this small. I know you said small, but it's really small. I would have loved to have like a table here for the buffet spread.
Look.
Then
Well, you heard that it's just a small party.
for the amount I was paid, I just need,
You can make do with this space.
No. No, not now.
Joanne, wait. Just wait, please.
Why now? Why here? Philip, for God's sake, this is my first outdoor catering event. Why do you want to ruin it? Why do you sabotage everything?
Excuse me, what? There is no party. I planned all of this just so I can see you and talk to you.
Wait, Philip, you paid that huge amount of money just for this? Just to see her?
Yes. Joanne, I know it's been messy, okay? I've tried to move on, but every time I close my eyes, you are all I see.
But I saw you. I saw you with her. The same girl you came to my restaurant with. Do you know what that did to me?
It meant nothing to me, okay? It meant nothing. Those were just games, just to get at you.
Well, you got me.
Wait. Joanne, look, I don't want the parties, I don't want the job if you are not in it with me. Can we stop running? I have built walls around me, but Joanne, you're my home. And I want to end tonight knowing that you'll be mine forever.
Joanne, if he really did all this just for you, that means he loves you, okay? He truly loves you.
Look, I am ready to spend the rest of my life with you. Marry me.
No.
What?
No!
What do you mean no? Look, I have a gun on my back. If you don't say yes, I'm gonna shoot myself.
You know what? Go ahead and kill yourself.
Can you
No
stop
one
this?
cares.
Why are you always running? Huh? Why? You and I know you want this. Can you stop fighting it?
Yes. We have a wedding to plan.
Shouldn't tell me leave love and face tomorrow. But with this love, no one knows tomorrow. Should be you've been toxic, you're my tomorrow. But as it reach time, you don't leave me go solo. You don't break me, scatter. You believe me, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. You don't break me, scatter. You leave me, jaga. You left me alone, you don't leave me go. Love nas come, I say love nas come. So don't break my heart, please let me go. Love nas come, I say love nas come. You don't break my heart, please let me go. Baby, you've been toxic, no one like you. Say I go come, I go let you come back to you. Baby, you've been toxic.